Hello everyone, I hope you guys doing amazing out there. Today we're back again with the DJI Neo. It's a new drone. Like as I was doing the review, I just thought I'd sit down to highlight some of the issues with the Neo. It's not major issues because it's a beginner drone, so you don't expect the drone to do a lot of stuff. Like today the weather is really heavy. I mean the wind is very strong. Today I tested it using the directional track. It didn't perform really well. At one point I thought it was going to hit the building in the cricket ground, you know, but that shouldn't stop you buying this drone. This drone is actually one of the best drones so far I've used. You know, I've have the Mini 2, which you probably, if you haven't watched my video, go to the previous video or go to my playlist and watch that video. And the good thing is, when you set it to directional mode, I actually set it to far and high, and then when you launch it, you have to wait for a few seconds facing the drone. Then I think what will happen is when you press start on the app, it will move forward. Then you can start walking towards the drone. It's actually unique. I'll try to display a quick video of how it shoots the directional track. This is amazing. Like, I believe it wasn't really strong wind. Like if I'm just doing the video like environment where it's not windy, I think I'll get a better footage. But at the moment I'm just sitting in the park looking at the beautiful estuary. You know, I just thought I'd sit down and talk to you guys. My two favorite modes so far is the follow and the directional track. The follow is my favorite because it follows you. Even the wind is strong, it still follows you. Another thing I detected today, let's say you going somewhere, then you have to go across a tree. It loses focus, but it doesn't crash into the tree. It waits till you return back to focus, then it starts following you again. That's really good. You know, I wasn't expecting the drone to do amazing job, but it's unique. It's really unique. I'm just going to see if I could launch the drone again to see what it can do from the follow me mode. So stay tuned. Let me launch it quickly, then we can just do a few seconds video, then we can wrap up this. All right, stay tuned. Yeah, you can see that. There you go. You need to be in focus. And once you do that, you land the drone. Well, I'm going to do the second one, which is droning. I believe this one will go up. So let's go a little bit further to see what this one does.
4 meters. Droning.
4 meters up.
2, 1.
So I believe this will go up. So it's going up. So to launch the drone, make sure you remove the gimbal guard. I'm not going to use the app because it's just a quick video. So what you have to do, you press the power button once and then hold it for about 3 seconds. Then the drone turn on. You can see it turns on now. So now I'm currently in follow me mode, but you can press the button, it will tell you which mode you are. So what you have to do is you press the button here. This button will now activate the drone to fly, so which you use here, count 1, 2, 3, then the drone will depart. All right, so let's do that. It's quite windy. So now it take off. You can't actually see, but because of the wind is very, very strong. Yeah, so there it is. It's following me. You can see the drone. You know, all you have to do is it will follow me anywhere I go. So for example, if I'm following you, if I'm coming back now, it will follow me again to get to you. That's how good it is. So now let me just quickly return back here. You can see, even though it's quite strong, it's still following me. How amazing the drone is. You know, I'm actually going to quickly land it to show you guys how you can land this drone. Well, all you have to do is pull your arm forward, then the drone will come to your palm. Come on. It's quite windy today, so let's see how good it is in the drone. Well, even though it's still windy, I was still able to land it without any problem, without using the phone app. Well, what do you think, guys? Would this make you buy the drone? There's a few niggles, but that shouldn't stop you buying this drone. Thank you so much. I'll definitely talk to you guys from another video. If there's anything that you want me to cover, feel free to drop your comments below. Thank you. I'll definitely see you from another video, maybe another travel content. Thank you. Bye bye for now.